In this video, I will show you how you can get more storage on your iPad Air. Now, if the storage of your iPad is about to run out, and if you want to get more storage, then there are two methods to do so. For the first method, you will have to remove and clean some data from your iPad to free up some storage. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on iPad Storage, and from here, you will be able to check the storage of your iPad. Now, to clear up some storage, you will find the recommendation section over here. Under the recommendation section, Apple will give you a few recommendations on how you can optimize the storage usage on your iPad. For an example, Apple is recommending us to offload some apps which we are not using. For example, I will select Enable, and after you do that, your iPad will automatically offload the apps which you are not using. As you can see, by doing that, you will free up to 3.9 gigabytes. Now, in our case, we have only one recommendations, but in your iPad, you might find a few recommendations available. Just go to the recommendations and enable the recommendations to free up some storage. After that, you can upload all your data to the cloud or to any external drive. You can delete them from your iPad. And by doing that, you can free up some storage. And the third method you have is that you can delete some apps which are not using on your iPad. For example, I will select this app. And let's say if I'm not using this app, you can either offload the app, and by offloading the app, you will delete the app from your iPad, but the data of the app will be saved in your iPad. Or you can delete the app completely. Just select delete. And by doing that, you will delete the selected app from your iPad. Just like that. Now, this was the first method to get more storage. Now, if you want to buy more storage from Apple, then in that case, in the main settings page, just tap on your Apple ID, and from here, just tap on iCloud. Tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus, and from here, you can buy more iCloud storage from Apple. Now, when you create your Apple ID, you will get 5 gigabytes of free iCloud storage, but if you want to get even more, as you can see, you have the option to buy 50 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, and up to 2 terabytes. But keep in mind that this is not a one-time purchase. You are basically subscribing to iCloud Plus, and you will be charged monthly or yearly based on the plan which you are selecting. And after you select the plan, you will get the amount of storage which you have selected. And this is how you can get more storage on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.